Assalamu alaikum students, this is your science teacher. Today I am delivering you the third lecture of science. Before starting the third lecture of science, take a short overview of lecture 2. In previous lecture, we study about words meanings and short questions. Words meaning bones, hadiyan, skull, khopdi, contract, sukarna, stomach, meda, skin, jild, information, malumat. And the first question is, what is the function of heart? Heart का क्या काम है? Heart pumps blood to all the different parts of body. The second short question is, what does digestion mean? The breaking down of food is called digestion. Now dear students, let's start the third lecture of science. थर्ड लेक्चर में जो हमारा शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन रहता था एक, वो हम करेंगे और दो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन हम करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ लंग्स? फेफड़ों का क्या काम है? द आंसर इज द लंग्स टेक इन और आउट द गैसेस फ्रॉम एयर. लेट्स सी हाउ लंग्स वर्क इन आवर बॉडी. एज यू ब्रीथ, your chest moves in and out. Inside the chest, there is two spongy-like organs on either side of heart. They are called lungs. The lungs take in a gas from the air called oxygen. This oxygen is absorbed into the blood streams, and when you breathe in, your lungs fill with air and become larger. And when we breathe in, we absorb oxygen gas, and when we breathe out, we release carbon dioxide gas. So this is the function of lungs. Next हम long question करेंगे. The first long question is, what is the name of the tiny parts that make up the human body? इस क्वेश्चन में हमने उन छोटे हिस्सों के नाम बताने हैं जिससे इंसानी जिस्म तश्कील पाता है. There are 6 tiny parts in human body. The first one is bones. Bones, B-O-N-E-S, bones, हड्डियाँ. Bones से मिलकर skeleton बनता है. The second one is muscles. Muscles, M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. The third one is heart, H-E-A-R-T, heart. The fourth one is lungs. Lungs, L-U-N-G-S, lungs. The fifth one is brain, B-R-A-I-N, brain, जो हमारे पूरे नर्व सिस्टम को कंट्रोल करता है. The last one is cells. Cells, C-E-L-L-S, cells. The second long question is, why does blood need to circulate in our body? खून को हमारे जिस्म में गर्दिश करने की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? The movement of blood around our body is known as circulation. हमारे जिस्म में खून की हरकत को सर्कुलेशन कहते हैं. The heart takes less than 60 seconds to pump blood to every cell in our body. The cells in our body need oxygen to stay alive. That's why blood need to circulate in our body. हमारी बॉडी को ज़िंदा रहने के लिए ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत होती है जिसकी मदद से हम सांस लेते हैं. That's why blood need circulate. इस वजह से खून को गर्दिश की ज़रूरत होती है in our body, हमारे जिस्म में. The circulatory system comprises the blood throughout the body. Through blood, heart and blood vessels. Heart pumps the blood throughout the body like this. So students, you have to learn it and write it on your binder. Stay blessed. Allah